yoga means union, or in other words, the experience that everything becomes one. This is the essence of the science of yoga, and at the same time, its deepest goal. What does this unity consist of? Yoga leads us to an experience where, even if only for a brief moment, there's nothing separate anymore. Then everything is connected with everything. At birth, we emerge from unity with the creative source, with love, and become dual beings in a dual world, returning in death to the creative source, to love. From a yogic perspective, our body is a garment that envelopes our core essence for the duration of a lifetime. How long such a garment lasts depends on the material, our treatment of it, the family history and karma interwoven into it, and finally, the grace bestowed upon us. Just as every birth occurs at the right time, regardless of whether it seems medically too early, too late, or exactly on schedule, every life also ends at the right time. From a spiritual perspective, life is always completed in death. Those who accompany the dying know that at the end of life, we struggle for breath. The intervals between inhalation and exhalation grow ever longer. And eventually, after the final inhalation comes the final exhalation, a final letting go, followed by silence. What left the body in that moment that was present only moments before? What force has animated this person before their final breath? What is this life? An immortal force, one that exists even without a body, yet animates all living bodies. A force that we are and yet cannot fully grasp with the mind. This profound topic of dying and death is addressed in the Katha Upanishad as a conversation between Yama, the king of death, and Nachiketa, a boy in search of absolute truth and immortality. Everything that comes must also go.